it's Emma. Today I'll be making Kutsinta, a famous Filipino traditional snack. This ready mix of gualinco, syrup, pinoy will take all the trouble of tiring preparations. So quick and easy to make that each day can be a fiesta. The back of this Filipino native cake ready mix will show us how it is made. First, we have fill the steamer with water and bring it to full boil. Secondly, in a bowl, I dissolve the gualinco Kutsinta ready mix completely in 1 cup of water. After, I pour the mixture into the molds, then place them in the steamer for 30 minutes. After we took them out and let them cool completely, then it was ready to go. Here is the finished Kutsinta.